welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a topic that's truly fascinating, the art of text to speech. In this video, I am going to tell you how to convert text into speech with a Python code. Text to speech is nothing but TTS. It's a technology that has transformed how we can access information, entertain, and communicate in digital era, opening up new possibilities for creativity and connection. Evolution of TTS. From its early days of robotic voices to today's lifelike synthesizers, it's been quite journey. We have seen TTS evolve from basic speech synthesis machine to AI driven systems capable of capturing the human speech. It's fascinating how technology has progressed to make voices sound more natural and expressive. Now let's talk about the art of inflection. Inflection adds emotion, rhythm, and personality to synthetic voices, making them more engaging and relatable. It's what transforms a robotic monotone into a captivating narrative. Moving on to the creativity side of a TTS, this technology is empowering creators to explore new avenues of expression from audiobooks, podcasts to interactive storytelling and language learning apps. Creators are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with voice. It's all about turning text into immersive experiences that captivate and inspire. And let's not forget the human connection aspect of TTS. This technology is breaking down barriers by making information more accessible to people with disabilities, language learners, and those with literacy challenges. It's about ensuring that everyone has the opportunity to hear and be heard. Future of TTS. What do you think the future of TTS? The future of TTS is bright with advancement in AI and natural language processing. We can expect even more lifelike voices, seamless interactions, and innovative applications. It's an existing time to be exploring the possibilities of TTS. So, I'll conclude that in the art of text to speech, let us celebrate the endless possibilities of expressions and connections that this technology affords. Uh, I'll be wrapping up, and in the next video, I'll be sharing the code and I'll explain the tutorial step by step. Well, that's all the time we have for today's folks. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the art of text to speech. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button for more fascinating discussions. Until then, bye. Happy coding.